Hey Romain, it's Albert here. So I wanted to show you something here real quick. So if you look here, when you click on your membership area here, when you see this membership nav 2.0, all right, so it's outdated. So you'll need to update it because some of these older templates still have the old version, right? You see here, it's membership nav 2.1, okay? So that's your issue right there. All right, I think that's probably the last issue that will likely fix your problem. Um, so you'll need to come here, click here, or actually here, let's see. You can click here, or you can go to Elements, Add Element, and you see this says Membership Elements here. So you need to just grab this, grab that there. You see how this one says 2.1? So now this is the right one, so grab this one, and then go ahead and delete this, okay? Delete this, and then you'll just need to redo this setup right here, all right? All right, that should fix your issue there, okay? All right, and let me see here. All right, there you go. So go ahead and replace that, and then let me know if that works, okay? So replace this, and then log completely out of your ClickFunnels account, okay? And then open an incognito window, log back into your ClickFunnels account, come back to your funnel and test it, okay? All right.